This week the NASDAQ has lost its value, and we can see the week has started with a pretty large gap. We can see that it was a close price here, the open price here, so the gap it was pretty large, and the price on the Monday started to return and close the gap, and this is something that has happened. Then the price bounced back down, forming this indecision candle, and continued to rise in value until Friday, reaching 21,799.87. Inside the premium analysis, I have shared the update for the NASDAQ for the traders, so they have been informed about the bullish breakout yesterday, which has been formed and also reached the target. From here, we can see that the price formed a strong bearish engulfing candle here on a Friday after reaching this resistance level, and it has stopped at the first support level at 21,509. Weekly time frame currently shows me that we have formed a bullish candle. But this week was a little bit messy because of the gap on a Monday, so it's not very clear and also pretty clear information on the market how the price is behaving and also how the price will behave in the future. So I will wait how the price will behave, because we can see that this is the area where the price having a problem. 21,799 and also 21,509 is the level where the price will try to make a bearish or bullish breakout in order to determine where the price could go in the future. Now, monthly time frame currently doesn't show me too much because we have just started this month. First week has passed, so the daily time frame is something to watch. What we can see that the price has formed this bullish breakout, reached the first resistance level, which is very hard to make a breakout. First one, second one, third one. The price has bounced back down. This is the support level that needs to hold in order to continue to rise in value. What will happen on a Monday? We'll see, but also 4-hour time frame shows us more clear information how the price will behave if there is any of bullish or bearish breakouts. So currently the price is at the support level. Is there a bearish breakout on the 4-hour time frame? We'll see on a Monday when the market opens. But also there is a potential that the price opens with the gap also over this weekend. So we'll see how the Monday starts. So in this case, I'm waiting outside of the market to see how the price will behave around this support level. And after that, when the price makes a move, I will follow the market and share that information with the traders inside the premium analysis. So see you inside, and that's all for this week. Happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.